Did you know these bricks were made from plastic? Yes, discarded plastic waste can be turned into durable, eco-friendly bricks. This innovative process helps reduce plastic pollution while creating strong building materials. It all starts with collecting plastic waste like bottles, bags, and containers. These plastics are sorted and then shredded into tiny pieces using a shredding machine. This step reduces their size and prepares them for the next stage. The shredded plastic is mixed with sand to create a unique blend. This mixture forms the foundation for making bricks and ensures every particle is evenly distributed. There are two main ways to turn this mix into bricks, and both have their advantages. In the first method, the mix is placed into an extruder. It is heated to high temperatures, melting the plastic and binding it with the sand. This creates a strong, malleable material. The molten material is then transferred to a hydraulic brick-making machine, where it is pressed into bricks with high pressure. The second method skips the heating process. Instead, the shredded plastic and sand are mixed with cement and water, similar to how cement bricks are made. This process is simpler and uses less energy. The mixture is then placed into a vibrating brick-making machine, which compresses the material into bricks. Why make bricks this way? Plastic bricks have several advantages. They help reduce plastic waste and require fewer natural resources, like clay or water. They're lightweight, durable, and weather-resistant, making them perfect for construction. Both methods result in high-quality, eco-friendly bricks. Whether heated or mixed with cement, these bricks are strong and sustainable. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more innovative solutions. TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time.